Okay, so this is my next travel vlog and it's shaky, but please bear with me. I'm going with all my friends on a road trip to Goa, so we're going to be driving for the next around 8 to 10 hours, hopefully not more than that. Everybody say hi! Neil say hi! Max, everybody knows me. Gaurav say hi! Simi! Hi! I am going to keep showing you snippets of this road trip, and there will be a lot of different stuff actually as compared to my last Goa vlog, because this time I'm going with like a lot of friends and we're going to have a lot of fun. So I'm going to film everything and share it with you. See you guys!
दिल की चोरी है मेरा क्या कसूर, क्या करूं ओ लेडीज, ओ क्या करूं ओ लेडीज, मैं हूं आदत से मजबूर, क्या करूं ओ लेडीज, मैं हूं आदत से मजबूर। ओ जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना।
We're supposed to take names of cities and states and countries, and whatever name my country ends with, you're supposed to say the name of a country that starts with that letter. And everybody is getting stuck on the letter A because we've exhausted practically every city, state and country. And now Neil say hi, is stuck on A because I said Ambala, and now he has to rack his head. And now we're listening to songs because we're beginning to give up a little bit on this game. So after all of us took turns swapping to drive, it's my turn, and I drive a lot in Bombay, but this is the first time I'm driving on the highway, and it's pretty exciting. So on the way to Goa, we have stopped at this place called Belgaum because it is a beautiful view. Just have a look at it. It's right behind me. It's like one part of it is raining somewhere at the back. It's beautiful. I don't even feel like I'm in India. I don't know why. This is the first time I'm road tripping to Goa and I'm really kicked about it. But it's absolutely breathtaking. You have to see how amazing it looks right behind me. It's sort of like the right balance of like sunlight and cool weather, and of course the beautiful wind.
मेरे क्लोज मिलता ना मौका रोज, I want you my baby, मुझे दे दे love dose। अब आंखों से हटाया चश्मा, आंखें तो मिलाओ जी, दुनिया वाले जो भी बोले हमसे ना शर्माओ जी, अब फोन तो उठाओ जी और डैडी को मिलाओ जी, हमने फ्यूचर सन इन लॉ की बात उनसे करवाओ। हेलो अंकल नमस्ते, चलो काम की बात पे आते हैं। अब आप ये पूछेंगे कि आप कितने पैसे कमाते हैं, तो जितना आपकी बेटी एक महीने में उड़ाती है, एक हफ्ते में मेरी दाढ़ी उतना तेल खाती है घर है पैसा है गाड़ी। अब दो जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो, लड़की हुई हमारी, अंकल घर है पैसा है गाड़ी। अब दो जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो, लड़की हुई हमारी, ओके बाय।
Hello, so after that amazing journey here, which was absolutely beautiful, I have reached the place that we're staying at, gotten changed up. I'm wearing this regular grey and white striped dress like you can see. I'm not really dressing up, it's pretty chilled out because we're like really tired from the road trip. We're gonna go to Britos and have my baked crabs. If you remember, I did talk about it in my previous Goa vlog as well. I'm gonna get going. Follow me. Challenge number 1 of traveling with friends: getting them to come out of their rooms on time. So after having the most delicious baked crabs and heading to Curly's and sort of spending a lot of time, I did get a couple of clips to share with you on video, but the lighting was really dim, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to add it, but I am going to show you what the view from my room is like, and you have to see it. basically like partying from a VIP area of a club because we have like all the clubs right next to our place. Hello, so I'm ready first as usual. What's new in that? I am actually leaving for breakfast with Simran because both of us are starving and everybody else is still sort of sleeping and lazing around. I'm gonna go have some more baked crabs and I will show you what we're gonna do after. We're actually headed to Marbella Beach in Merjum today, so I'm really looking forward to that because that's something I didn't do on my last trip. Keep watching. Hello! So now that we got done with the yummy baked crabs from Ritos, I'm going to be driving everyone to Marbella Beach, Merjum, and we're going to figure what we can do that side. And that's a place that I haven't gone to last time, so that's going to be something new to this vlog. So we're at this place called Cafe Lilliput. I don't know if you remember, but I did come here last time. Unfortunately, Marbella was shut, and then we tried to go to Chronicles, which is right next to Thalassa, and everything is shut since it was too much. But this place is totally worth to visit because it's so calming and relaxing, and the view is absolutely stunning. And made it to Marbella Beach Resort, and this is the view. It's beautiful, it's all white. I think it's kind of sort of the kind of place, okay. I think it's just kind of the place that I'd really like to do brunch at, like every day, maybe. But it's beautiful, it's all white, it's right by the beach, and I love these little shamianas they have going for them right here, for the little privacy of smaller groups to come in and sort of catch up. I think it is absolutely beautiful. So after that amazing evening at Marbella, I'm back and I'm so tired, but I'm gonna freshen up before we step out for dinner. We're not sure exactly where we're gonna go. We're probably gonna go to this place called LPK, which is Love, Passion, Karma, which is like a really cool like club / lounge-ish place. Where we're gonna go for dinner, actually, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. But right now, what I do need to do is take a power nap, bathe, freshen up. See you guys in a bit. All dressed up and ready to party!
I got that.
To dance.
I got that.
You can dance.
I can't.
You can dance. You can dance. So we're kickstarting the evening at this lovely place called Fat Fish, and I just ordered myself crabs and potatoes and a lot of other stuff.